Is reaching 10 lakh rupees possible only for rich people? Or can an ordinary person achieve it too? The truth is, you don't need luck, inheritance, or magic. You only need the right habits. Most people don't stay poor because they earn less. They stay stuck because nobody teaches them money rules. Today, you'll learn 5 money rules that successful investors and millions of disciplined people follow. 2 friends earn the same salary. 5 years later, one has nothing while the other has built wealth. Money Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Save before you spend, even if it's only 500 rupees or 1,000 rupees. Before buying anything, ask yourself one question. Is it a need or just a temporary desire? Money Rule 3. Make your money work for you. Smart long-term investing allows compounding to do the heavy lifting. Money Rule 4. Invest in yourself. Better skills create better opportunities and higher income. Real wealth takes patience. Follow these 5 rules consistently, and small daily decisions can change your financial future. Everything changes with the first rule. This single habit can completely transform your financial future. Always pay yourself first. Save before you spend. Most people spend first and save whatever is left. Sadly, very little is usually left. Successful people reverse the process. They save first and spend the rest. Now, let's move to the second money rule. Before every purchase, stop for a moment and ask yourself one simple question. Small, unnecessary expenses may seem harmless, but together, they can cost you a fortune. Now it's time for the third money rule. Don't let your money sit idle. Let smart, long-term investments grow through the power of compounding. Time is your greatest financial partner. The earlier you start, the greater the potential rewards. Now comes one of the most powerful money rules of all. If your income never grows, saving alone may not be enough to build real wealth. Learn new skills, improve your knowledge, and become better at what you do. The best investment is often the one you make in yourself. Greater value creates greater earning opportunities. Now let's discover the final money rule. Social media is full of promises to get rich quickly, but most shortcuts come with serious risks. Real wealth grows slowly through discipline, patience, and smart long-term decisions. Earning money is a skill. Saving money is a habit. Growing money is a lifelong journey. Forget shortcuts. Follow these 5 habits consistently, and every small step will move you closer to your financial goals. Wealth isn't built in one day. It is built through the right decisions every day. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and keep learning.